Hey y'all, watch this video to see how I installed this wig, and do y'all see this lace? Yeah, I don't either. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, it's your girl Easy Breezy and I'm back with another hair tutorial. Now I'm recording this video in a new format, so let me know if y'all like this or if y'all want me to go back to my old horizontal, recording style. So sponsoring this video today, we have Beauty Forever Hair, and they sent me this really pretty and big and curly blonde and brown highlighted wig. Now this is also a lace closure wig, so if you're at home, if you order this wig, all you have to do is take it out the box and put it on your head. Okay, you can definitely install it glueless, but today we are using glue. Now, when I got this wig in the mail, I took it out the box and looked at the hairline, and it was already pre-customized. So the plucking was already done. I barely had to do any plucking, and the knots were light, but they weren't light enough for my client. So I did have to bleach the knots, but that's basically all I had to do. All right, now I'm applying her stocking cap, and before I put the wig on, I'm gonna do a light glam on her. So I'm applying some lashes and I'm gonna do her brows. All right, so let's talk about brows real quick, right? In my opinion, the way you get really nice, soft looking brows is when you're filling it in, try to only fill it in starting from the middle of your brow to the tail, right? Because when you fill it in and you go all the way to the front and then you try to blend it, it's already too much product and it's gonna look strong. You don't want strong looking brows. You want them to look soft and have a nice gradient. So make sure you start filling them in from the middle to the tail, and then take your spoolie or whatever blending tool you have and just blend the entire front. All right, cool. So now that our brows and our lashes are done, I'm going to take my liquid lace glue and do my first layer of glue. And remember, I'm not doing a frontal, so I'm not applying this glue all the way from ear to ear, just about to her eyebrows. And if y'all want the exact glue that I use in all my videos, this is liquid lace glue from galaxygirlhair.com. All right, you guys, so now that I have both layers of glue nice and tacky and clear, now it's time to stick on this wig. And as you can see, this hairline is already looking perfect. Like, it's plucked perfectly, it's bleached perfectly, and I can already tell it's coming out her scalp, honey. All right, so I don't normally do this, and people in the comments be like, why do you cut your lace with scissors? So every now and then I try to use, the razor method, but for some reason, I don't know why, it's just so uncomfortable for me to use a razor and not like a pair of scissors. But I understand what y'all be saying, it makes the lace look a little bit more natural so you can't see the line. But I don't know, like, I be trying both ways, and I guess it's my OCD that won't allow me to cut the lace and it's not perfect. I don't know, but I did try the razor today, so yeah. And now I'm just taking my thread and needle and sewing her wig down upon her request because she just wanted it to feel more secure. All right, so at this point we have the wig glued on and sewed on, so it's not going nowhere. And this is what the curls look like before we add our products. So right now I'm adding my setting foam and I'm gonna wet the entire wig so we can make those curls look nice and juicy and just accentuate it. And it's funny because I'm actually using my baby hair mousse that I'm testing out for the website, and I'm just using it for the curls. It's really for your baby hair, but I guess it has multiple functions. All right, so I wet the entire wig down with some water, and now I'm applying some foam to the top and the rest of the hair. And y'all, I love this process. It's just like therapeutic to me. I love working with curly hair. Like, number one, it's the easiest style on the planet, and yeah, it's just satisfying. All right, y'all. So I'm about to put y'all on game real quick, okay? I'm gonna let you know the difference between a regular stylist and an extraordinary stylist. So when you're working with curly hair, a regular stylist would just, part the front, wet the top, put some foam in it, comb it down, and call it a day, right? But the extraordinary stylist would take out her hot comb and make the top really, really flat, make the edges nice and silky, and do some real styling to the top. Now, for a long time, when I used to install like curly wigs, all I did was just wet the top with water and some foam and, just part it and literally call it a day. But when I started to use my hot comb and really style the top, it took my styling to the next level. All right, y'all. So my baby hairs are done, and now I'm going to pluck this part and take my concealer and just, run it through the part so it's a little bit more bold and sharp. All right, so I do want the top to sit up a little bit and create like that wave effect. So I put some hairspray on there, and now I'm just taking my hot comb through it just so I can create that nice wave. All right, you guys, so we are finally done with this video, and this wig looks amazing. I love the curls. I love the color on her, and y'all, this hairline though, like, this wig is legitimately coming out her scalp. Like, for real. So thank you so much once again, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring this video with this curly highlighted lace closure unit. Remember, guys, if you want to install this wig on yourself at home with no glue, you can make it look just like this with maybe some holding spray, and that's about it. Like, you really don't have to use glue to get this look. So once again, thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Lucy at _LifeIsLucy. I just got slayed by your girl Breezy. Make sure to shop her products at galaxygirlhair.com. Just look at this lace. All from this.